But there is one disturbing thing I just want to talk about. The spate of road accidents on our road. It is very, very, very disturbing. Very, 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 very disturbing. Very, 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 very disturbing. In the first half of year 2025, Lori Akwensia, Dudua, esi wo ye memu haro. Anu dang. Accident Dudua esi for the first 6 months for year 2025. 7,289 road accidents. 7,289 road accidents from January to June, July more. So we're asking, Yakwan, so what is happening? You know, driver for Subai Ben Sano Mudani Di Acharayin. Because I had a harding. Me or China, me nam kwano so. Adebache also nam kwano so. Won't mean can't tell me, say, would ye? Fashion, Yakwan Tempo, who does wound to coin. As some way, a idea in yen papa. Now, out of the 7,289 road accidents, you know, ye bisa say, Nipadudo saying and a shiro monkwa. For the first half of year 2025, Nipa 1,504, Minewuka say, and a shiro monkwa. 1,504 HIV cry kum nipa say. Now, she woman did them, and now woman pra as a result of the accidents on our road. 8,364 injuries. What could be happening? I'm asking a question. What could be happening? Look at the fatalities on our road. Nipa 1,504. Accra 1,504. Nipa do ya omu ya kwantim ponso within the first half of year 2025. And Obi betimi aba be president o. Obi betimi aba be finance minister o. Obi betimi aba be opinion pa bi a obeboa o. E bia na doctor bi wo mo, teacher ni bi wo mo. Ekwan ben so ne ye befa so a road accident ye be bra no ase. And quickly let me walk you through the 3 years. This one where they may bra so nyame adom, I'll be doing a full presentation on this. Accidents, my catch them total now, 7,289 road accidents. 10 years. Now, cars do involved in this accident, you know. A whopping 12,554. Ghana, first 6 months in year 2025. Car do 12,354. Which is very, very disturbing. I've already told you, say, one no almost sure woman kwa ewo sa accident in 1,504. Medical catch say 1 year prior no 8,364. Now adibakwa a hamikase se Ghana ha se unam yakwan enchen ana utware kwan mu patrol car betimi abo. And only your friend pedestrian knockdowns. Pedestrian knockdowns. One more nam kwan chen a cars are bomb. One more try kwan mu a car bomb. One more to ade e wo kwan chen a car ko logo mo. One more to do 1,300. 1,300 pedestrian knockdowns. One more nam car kwan chen. One more try kwan mu a car bomb. 1,301. Now we are asking, why all this? Is it because of the fact that you na driver for one kashen awo ya kwantempo ahudu so no nimdia e di kashen no womu ni mana ana ye betina kana say nimdia na ye di kaka awo ya kwantempo so womu nim enso o mabu omani eguso na sebi mpreduasa ni ye boni a won ye okwan so e no ye ana na mama kan chiro every day e wo Ghana ha nipa dudu omu through accident de biara da send them no kase nipa enwotwe ewu every day minimum kase every day de biara da no nipa dudu a ewu e wo yakwantempon no so no eye 8 enwotwe and you know and watching no times ɛyɛ 1 week ɛyɛ sɛn nti ne kyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ na wɔtwe bia no nipa 42 ɛna ɛhwere ɔmo nkwa ne kyɛ sɛ ɛwɔ na wɔtwe bia no nipa 42 ɛna ɛhwere ɔmo nkwa na for times ɛyɛ bosomi 30 until it shows that every month bia no ɛyɛ ade a nipa dodo ɔnwu ɔyɛ akwantempɔn so no wɔn kɔ almost by 240 which is very very bad and every day bia no akwanhyia dodo a esi wɔ yɛ akwantempɔn ahodoɔ so no mepato akwanhyia dodo no ɛyɛ 40 accidents every day bia akwanhyia dodo a esi wɔ yɛ mamu ha bebia no mako 40 na yɛhwɛ wɔn pra every saa accident no mu yɛhwɛ wɔn pra every saa accident no mu wɔn yɛ pra every saa accident no mu mepato sɛ wokɔ hɛ a wɔn yɛ 46 every day nipa 46 ɛna ɛbɛ pra through accident every day nipa mako 46 and every day nipa nwɔtwe ɛna ewuo. Why are we doing this to ourselves as a nation? And yɛhwɛ car dodo a ɛta involved in this accident for every daily and every day biara ɛyɛ 69 vehicles or motorcycles get themselves involved in an accident. The indiscipline on our roads is too much. And why am I not indiscipline? Men cause obia than our drivers. Obi oho when you say ha edi kwan so obeko speed and so obeko speed. Obi oho car no when nsan nya nkukọ aso ye enso so ye de ama no e de car na si krom na wo de akwa kodi enyam bransam ama akra ato. You're the driver for I don't know. And sometimes it becomes very worrying when you see our drivers under the influence of alcohol. I don't know Dawson. Obi okra na wude unimo obetimi akoshi wi ni wa ba betena okabu na otena ode ukọ akoshi amena donkom ani ndu bone obi oho a wa drive is our break and so still obey say car no wode beko ana dudu na so ye na because ubra ye na ene beba so ubra ye na ene beba. Sometimes I pity your VIP, your OA drivers, you know. Long distance. You imagine from Techiman to Accra. Obidi beko or anajo or could do anopa. Daytime almost so better. And not do send obiti other daytime. Edwana Joshua was at the bank crying. But we are told, say, for such long distances, you know, I was a driver for no a yemu. And so no, this is not happening. This is not happening. Hwananu ada de ekosi ewo eye Accra Kumasi road. I say sorry for bia omuko nhyiemudie. Nipa be over 18 and atwa nananom won hie do through that particular accident. So why are we doing this to ourselves as a nation? As some way a bunny a car me pa also bomoding na kebio. Asama aba ye kembi no accident on our road ekum nkrofo no ye besere wusu kembi o because the one kebia ochine bi no ebeka se nya wo a ye wabusuani because every day nipa be 8 ewu through accidents 1 year e prabe 46 na chese very very alarming. And sometimes too it becomes very worrying when you see say obinam yakwantempon so eni kwan so nam ho aposifo ni mpanyimfo a ya pa omo say wo hwe for safety to be maintained on our roads in the ground there. Allegedly they go taking money. So why are we going as a country with this particular data on road accidents? This data made through the National Road Safety Authority and the MTTD division of the Ghana Police Service. Why are we doing this to ourselves? The rate at which accidents even domi market higher. Even especially Accra. Now 37 wa she see ukada nibi. What one an animal said? With the MTTD division of the Ghana Police Service, your best ceremony. Your best ceremony. Your best ceremony. Moi, ya palm say Munjina ya quantum who do so said there be a sanity will be maintained on our routes, you know. Your best ceremony. Your best ceremony, because Ghana, as we speak now, we have so many problems. Just to become just to come and be worrying about road traffic offenses and its attendance problem. What do you best ceremony? Driver for your best ceremony. Your best ceremony. Mean said that means I am. So on him say kaka na wa bra jiwa home. So on him say kana wudi si kwantem bon so ka no chimato bi wo ho a emfa nkosi so. So on him say weni kuma me pato enkaka no. So on him say one monsa na one mundo boni bia enko drive it. Because it's too much. Every day Nipa 8 dying on our roads. Every day, Nipa 8 dying on our roads. Where is our conscience as a nation? Patrick Makwaba.
Prof. Major so.
Na pum to say.
Yami adomboko.
Miraho.
Your road accident in Assam there.
Miraho. Let's have a renewed mind this afternoon. Let's have a renewed mind this afternoon. Unforgotten country. We should have a renewed mind.
That's right.
Yenya renewed mind as Sebim Prediasa. 1 year Eddie car, a twin America 10 or ya quantum also no midday. 1 year a ball of mine no chrono or midday. Everywhere there is corruption. I saw them, there is corruption. I saw them, another because I saw them corruption or there's corruption.
Oh, papa.
There's corruption. There is corruption. Everywhere there is corruption in Ghana.
Baby,
Patrick, sometimes me Ghana me sorry no para me dreams abi Ghana nia. Na get me ya.
Nyanka te Canada.
So be pie na ba ko kwenchen kwa branye didi pa na rubber no we ja to pay.
Prof, my make us my friend. Last week na me drive it. And taxi driver be ne di manim. Na taxi driver ne di ma me sa no ato kosua ya no ani mako. Kosua no ani mako no some the rubber na titire. Na me ya amam ye nipa for and ticket. The kosua ni we are no matter rubber that traction.
Look at this.
Enti Miss PD na me cross wom. Na me catch am say enti ne mumu ya motika mu ye. Na am the unfortunate thing. Nipa nkofo na ticket mamu ya mpanifo ba ko kra me say no abo. Sa ayiya ahemfofo.
Yeah.
It's them so your hen.
Oh, hey. Look at this. Look at
them.
Yeah, you were right because you were being patriotic. Because even this nation, baby, my Ghana, you could be. Say patriotic enough, and go be enam sikeni breso, and go egalam say maninu ya hunchire no maninu.
Oh.
Sikeni bre and I say ma. Some me say in front of me. I've been in this journalism work for about 27 years
right.
now.
Prof, what about you?
26, but Obia, one over remember 2-3 years. Opesa or yet to say me. Now, baby, I bet you know. If you don't sacrifice, you don't get.
You won't get.
If you don't sacrifice, you will not get.
Yeah. Sacrifice.
And because of that, you feel about this time around. Shortcut. Shortcut me again.
It's who you for net that 29, 25.
Charlie.
29, 25.
Ghana. Patrick,
Prof.
may I say so bye. Now every day we have this encounter. Renewal of mindset.
Boss every day.
Every day. Say Branche Mackenzie. What dress it come will be? A Branche Mackenzie. Hey, okay, no cry. Very patriotic. I didn't ever hate in the cry. Mackenzie will say it. Ghana pa dear. I me yo, me that's what I know papa na me timeni na me Ghana. I me yes sir. All because of the unpatriotic nature, the dishonesty, the level of dishonesty that we have as a people in this country. The level of dishonesty. We are a dishonest people. Just very few. so far ma mu ni nyina be ye friend say be 10% pe na honest and e be patriotic eno dia Mackenzie dia me be ka 10% no
SOMPA FM
abushafo and I say jara so do but mon fan chemi because sometimes you know there may be wo ha adwen ye pa je okwe Ghana ye wo mu na akwansia ekum ye na de hye se a e ade ha adwen de biara da no nipa wotwe de biara da no nipa wotwe ene ewu na chese ade ha adwen ye pa ejebusia let us all have that renewed mind ni yen kan kire ye ho say this time around no yankasa no ye behwe ehu ye awo ya kwantem ebon so dwuma bi a ye de ama wo se ye na fa bo oman no ni nyina no ade a wo so ye ni nyina se ebe bo ye nyina